Hello, my name is Arsetyani. My name 230180002. I will discuss subculture here. Subculture, what do you hang out with? Every culture in each country contains subculture are often associated with each group's education professions, hobbies, or lifestyle. One reason is because subculture exists within every culture. For example, in Indonesia, there are subculture derived from ethnicity, religion, education, age, sex, and many more. The second, British youth focus on how they choose to characterize themselves through the clothes they wear, the music they listen to, the movies they watch, and the places they go. This lifestyle is. The second method, what is teenagers, youth, and others? The term teenager first emerged in the 1950s when young people were newly identified as a distinct group of consumers. The term teenager is currently used to describe boys and girls aged 11 until 16 years old and is typically associated with products or markets such as teenage fashion, teenage magazine, and teen pop idols. The word youth it refers to the time when a person was a youth. For example, youth club, youth culture, Australian youth, youth training schemes, a handsome youth, and imam youth. One example of how subculture might differ from mainstream culture is in its style of dress, the unique fashion of punks. For example, hippies, crutches, bikers, and goats. The third material, what is sex and gender? Historical many cultures stress the biological differences between male and female. They would refer to the fact that men are usually large and stronger than women or two women's God-given ability to bear children. Gender differences, however, are more than just the biological differences due to a person's sex. Gender is socially constructed. Sex and gender. Biological sex is part of nature and is stable, but gender belongs to culture and is a social construct and not stable. In some cultures, men never cook, while in other cultures, the most famous cooks are men. Feminism. In the 9th century, many women in the West began to question the restrictive gender roles they were given in society. This movement of women was called the feminist movement. They argued that they should be treated as equals alongside men in given the same educational, economic, and political opportunities as a result of the feminist movement. Many women around the world now are well educated, have professional careers, and even hold top position in government. Feminism. In 1970, various groups within the feminist movement, influenced by liberal, radical, Marxist, or socialist ideologies, broke away to formulate their own spirit paths leading to several different movements. The first liberal feminists are more concerned about remedying the laws to give women full rights. The second Marxist and socialist feminists teach that the whole capitalist system needs to be changed before women are empowered. The last radical feminists have drawn attention to the evils of sexual harassment in the workplace, prostitution, and the use of pictures of sexually attractive women in advertising. LGBTQ plus community, one increasingly visible groups of subculture in the last few decades in the LGBTQ plus community. They include lesbian, women who are sexually attracted to women, gay, anyone but particularly men who are attracted to members of the same sex, bisexual, people who may be attracted to both men or women, transgender, People who feel their sexual identity, their thoughts and desires, doesn't match the sex of their bodies, and queer people who identify as neither male or female and may or may not feel sexual attracted to anyone. Faktor-faktor LGBTQ plus community, the first genetic. Imbalance hormones in the body are said to be the trigger because basically sexual orientation instinct develop before puberty or before a person has a sexual experience. The second, environment. Some of those who are homosexual or bisexual admit that social interaction influence them to have this sexual orientation. Apart from that, parents who frequently quarrel, divorce, or have domestic violence are also thought to play a role in this. The last, traumatic experience, bad experience in the past that continue to stick in the heart and cause trauma, are also accused of being the cause, for example, sexual harassment or violence experienced by someone. The last material about LGBT in Indonesia. Indonesians in general reject LGBT. However, different tribes, religions, groups, and institutions in Indonesia may have different attitude toward sexual diversity. Suzy Yusna Dewi of the Association of Indonesia. That's all for me. Thank you.